Introducing the 2023 Volvo C40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-Door Auto in stunning silver. With a powerful 1.5-litre electric engine and automatic transmission, this EstateJeep is perfect for any adventure. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, 360-view camera, collision avoidance braking, and more, you can drive with ease and peace of mind. Luxury trim, cup holders, and a glass roof add to the stylish interior, while a privacy glass, spoiler, and sunroof enhance the exterior. This vehicle also comes with an anti-corrosion warranty, energy recuperation, and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Interested? Contact us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.